Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So how do you usually practice to playing a keyboard?
I usually practice with my teacher in my home.
Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, everyone? Good morning. Okay, welcome back to our channel MTSP Kita Ni Cakep. Okay, for this change, I have a guest over here. Would you mind, Mister, to introduce yourself?
Hello, good morning. I am Muhammad Nazagid from Pakistan, and I have done postgraduate from England, from UK. So now I am working as an English teacher here in school.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. We will talk about the culture with me. My name is Nur Hayati, but you can call me Nunung.
No.
Yeah, Nunung.
Okay. Thank
That's
you.
my nickname, Nunung.
Yes.
Okay. Now I have some question for you. How long you've been live in Indonesia?
I have been living in Indonesia almost 1 year, like more than 1 year.
Okay.
I came here in Indonesia June 2021.
Okay.
So now it's been 1 year and 2 months.
Yeah. So, what is your reason to stay in here? Is it? I'm sorry. Because of you married with Indonesian woman?
Yes, you are right.
Okay.
And I married here, I think September 2021.
Oh.
Yes, so actually I came here on business visit visa.
Okay.
I just want to visit your country, Indonesia. But first I want to go or visit Bali.
Bali.
When I visited Bali, it's so beautiful place.
Yes.
After I visited Malang,
Okay.
what's the best thing I love in your country? Your country is clean.
Oh.
Second thing is, here only have two weather.
What do you mean clean?
Clean means stick here. If you visit my country, Pakistan,
Yeah.
India, Bangladesh, Nepal, there we pray, oh Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, send rain.
Oh.
Yeah. Here you every second, third day, rain, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala send rain. Like everywhere, your trees, everything is clean.
Oh.
You know?
Okay, yeah.
And second thing is here weather, here only two weather.
Okay.
Like raining or little bit hot.
Yeah.
Not too much hot, like Arabic country, their weather more than 40, 45, 47.
Okay.
But here is 36, maximum 36, 34, 32. So I love especially weather. And
Yeah.
number second, your Indonesian people is so good.
Oh.
That is very good for you, very good for next generation.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. That is your reason why you live here. So, it means when you live here since 2021, can you speak Indonesian language?
And Disha, when I came here, I started, but after I had experience as a teaching
Yeah.
from Jakarta, so there have one with very good Islamic school. They're like a head of department, his name is Mustafa Yamin.
Yeah.
So they just request me, I think you don't need to speak Bahasa. Maybe later.
Yeah.
But in the moment you are English teacher, so
Okay.
just go ahead.
Okay.
Because in class and outside when you see your student, so it's very good impact if you speak everywhere with English.
Okay.
I think this is good way.
Yeah.
So if I need it
Yeah.
like later,
Yeah.
I can, because I'm also now teach students English language. I'm speaking English, yeah, right. So I also want it, like
Okay,
at least
okay.
some, like a little talk. If I
Yeah.
go to outside to buy something, at least I want to know how I ask price,
okay.
how I conversation with them.
Yeah.
So I will, but in the moment, I'm not like try to learn. Just be waiting for the right time.
Maybe for a little thank you, it means terima kasih.
Yeah, you said apa kabar,
Apa
like you know,
kabar,
say
yeah.
like if you do any mistake, you say oh, maaf, like this,
Okay,
maaf,
yeah,
apa
maaf,
kabar.
sorry, yeah.
So
Okay.
only for that, not too much.
Okay. And now you live in Java.
Yeah.
You know Java. It is has a other language like spontane. It means like I'm sorry. Spontane. And then matur nuwun it is like terima kasih or thank you. That is different because
Yeah.
we have a lot of ethnic in Indonesia.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So, what do you think about? Let's compare with your culture. Indonesia have a lot of culture in here. So, how about in Pakistan? Is it same?
Yeah,
Have
it's a good
so many?
question. Well, first of all, we are all Muslims, alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
Number one. Number second is little bit different, but like here, everyone love to eat interest. It's in Islam, it's haram, but in
Yes.
Pakistan, no one want to go in to pay interest.
Oh, okay.
If someone in Pakistan, if you don't have any house, they are hard working to buy house with cash,
Yes.
but they are not going to pay interest.
Oh,
Because interest is in haram in Islam, right?
yes.
Second thing is they are not going to pay like if you want to buy car, you pay down payment and the rest of amount you will pay with installment like with interest.
Yeah.
So that things there I think maybe have but maybe only 2 or 3%.
Okay.
Here have huge. I saw number one. Second thing is that as a cultural you are Muslim, you are Indonesian, not all, at least 86 or 87% Indonesian all Muslims. So I think it's very good for me also. When you go outside, everywhere masjids.
Yes.
So you feel better because you look like this is your country. That's why I love Indonesia. That's why I'm here.
Okay.
And third thing is that this is in Indonesia is top one Islamic country. Like
Yes.
who population is number one.
Yeah.
Number second Pakistan.
Yeah.
So that's also very good. For cultural, I think here is you enjoy every culture
Okay.
here.
Yeah.
But there in Pakistan, maybe only I think 2% or 1.5% Christian, and like maybe only 1% is or 2% in Hindus.
Hindus.
You know, yeah.
Because
And
it is
in
near India, and
Yeah.
India majority the people over there Hindus. Yeah.
Yes, yeah. Because actually, because India and Pakistan is one country, and they have a issue because they are fight to each other, Muslim and Hindu.
Oh.
Then Muhammad al Jinnah, who's a Muslim, he decided
Yes.
why not put two separate country like a
Yeah.
Muslim, like a Muslim
Yeah.
have a different country for Hindu different.
Oh.
So then India like a Hindustan
Yeah.
for Hindu,
Yeah.
Pakistan for
For
Muslim.
Muslim. Oh,
Yeah.
separated
So-
become two, Pakistan and also
Yeah.
India. Okay.
But if you see, we looks both same.
Yeah.
We talk same, language same. We are all activities almost same because we live long time together.
Yeah.
We just put separate because of religion.
Okay.
So that's his point only.
Oh.
But for here, also I saw for many masjid here, you are providing a complete, environment to be if you are Muslim, you will come, you will learn about Islam.
Yeah.
So I think you are more motivated. Your people more close to Islam.
Okay.
I just saw, but in reality, everyone have different life. Yes, no. In Pakistan, like here, you just see one thing very important. In Arabic country and in Pakistan, you cannot see women in masjid. It's very rare chance. Why? Because in Islam said, if women and men together, they have any problem. So here in Indonesia, in masjid, everywhere, in women's also, men's also, and kids
Yeah.
also.
Yeah.
Right? No?
Yeah.
But that is, you cannot see in Arabic country and Pakistan also.
Okay.
Because they are wanted to say woman is basically name of woman is aurat. In Quran, aurat mean is parda.
Yeah.
Parda means like a you need to be a height from yourself. So this is a little bit different us from Pakistan. From it's okay if you like in masjid, no one any men there.
Oh.
Like men's not there, and okay, women go there, make wuzu and do because no one see her.
Okay.
That is different also from
Yeah.
Pakistan and
Okay,
Indonesia.
okay. Because our people know that and also aware that Indonesia is a poorer country with our here. Okay.
Yeah.
So I want to try to speak Pakistan. How can you teach me about Pakistan language? Just like thank you. What is thank you in Pakistan?
If you want to say thank you, apa kabar, right?
Yeah. No. Thank you.
That
thank
is
you.
sama-sama.
Sama.
Okay. So if you want to say thank you
Yeah.
with Pakistan
Yeah.
language, Urdu
Okay,
language,
okay.
you say shukriya.
Sukriya.
Yes.
Sukriya. Sukriya.
Shukriya, Mr. Muhammad Nazagid.
Sukriya. It means just like
Thank you.
Arabic. Sukron.
Yeah, same.
Oh.
Arabic say shukran.
Yeah.
Like they said, Anta Habibi, Mafi Malum Arabic, right? So, just be Mafi Malum Arabic means I cannot speak Arabic.
Yeah.
But for written,
Yes.
Urdu's look like Arabic.
Oh.
But when you are going to speak, it's different.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Sukriya.
Yeah, shukriya. Thank you,
apa
shukriya.
Kabar? How are you? Apa kabar?
How are you? आप कैसी हो? Like आप कैसे हो? Like how are you? आप कैसे हो?
Up कैसी हो? Am I
Like
right?
if you are woman,
Yeah.
आप कैसी हो? If
आप
you are
कैसी
man, like
हो?
boy, आप कैसे हो? Yes, like this. Who is different?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. So since you stay here, there is any kind food that you love?
Actually,
Indonesian food?
I had first experience when I visited Malang with my wife, and she bring me. She said here in Malang a very popular baso.
Bakso.
Yeah.
Bakso.
So I don't know what is baso because
Meatball?
you
Is it
don't
meatball?
have any experience. Like, even she bring me with her friend also,
Okay.
and even that is complete like a very busy shop. Like many customers come there, very
Yeah.
busy. And when I like eat first time,
Yes. So-
I feel very good because they give you something extra also. So I love baso.
Bakso it means meatball. Can you find it in Pakistan or in everywhere?
No. I think
It's
Pakistan.
just like the
goodness.
ingredient. The main ingredient is just meat from cow or maybe from chicken.
Yeah, but if here is different, like chicken curry, you
Yes.
can find.
Chicken curry is
Yeah.
the traditional food from Pakistan or
Yes.
India.
Yes, Indian Pakistan is same.
Okay.
We are all love same food.
Curry.
Yeah.
Curry. In here there is curry. Curry.
Yeah,
Ayam.
curry because you say your language.
Yes.
When even I miss my food,
Okay.
Pakistani food, when Ramadan started,
Yeah.
and I think why not? Long time I miss in Sidwarjo, no
Yeah.
have any Pakistani restaurant,
Okay.
no have any Indian restaurant,
Yeah.
right? So I miss my food.
Okay,
So,
so-
what I did,
Yeah.
I went to market, I buy a onion, tomato, and chicken.
Okay. So.
I cook myself.
Oh my God.
When I cook myself, can you believe? My wife, she said, "Oh, you're cooking so nice."
Okay. I should try your
Yes.
cooking.
Yeah, one day when I cook, Lana, you can check it. You will love.
Okay. I will
Yeah.
taste it.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
And
Well,
also nasi goreng.
nasi goreng.
But everywhere is different. Different, not same. Like when I was in Bogor, like
Bogor.
near Jakarta,
Yeah.
there have one small shop. They are cooking it very good. I think when I miss them,
Yeah.
they put something extra.
Okay.
When you're going to eat,
Yeah.
you feeling so nice nasi goreng. I love it also.
Nasi goreng, but the real traditional food is just not meatball or nasi goreng, but in here in Java, absolutely in east of Java, we have a traditional food. It's called by rujak cingur.
Huh.
Rujak cingur.
Yeah, actually
Don't
your
know about rujak
full
cingur?
name is very difficult sometimes. So I never remember. But I eat many times when I go
Yeah.
out. I'm not asked because when I go outside with family,
Yeah.
so it's mean they choose.
Okay.
Yes, no. And last time I remember, I don't know what they name, very nice food. They went me his near is Delta, you know, is Delta, I think what his name is Deluxe Hospital. It's near there have a one is small
the
restaurant.
Tasurya
Yeah,
over
yeah.
there.
Yes, I just there.
So many sellers over there to sell some food.
No, there, but there's restaurant. It's like their restaurant is, you know, it's police station.
Yes.
Police station is
Yeah.
main road. Just police station little far, but little behind. Like you need only when you, I think there is what is hotel name is front of there.
Luminor.
Yeah, Luminor. Just you know, I think only 2 minutes away from Luminor Hotel.
Okay.
There have when you on the way for coming from Luminor Hotel.
Yeah.
Then is left side go to the inside.
Sate Padang.
I think yes, it's same like you need to go inside.
Oh, inside.
Like inside means
Yeah, yeah.
inside the street.
Yeah, okay,
You
okay,
turn
okay.
left in the
I
street.
don't know about that.
Oh, there are food. I try, next time I will give you a name.
Okay.
But in the moment, no, that was so good.
Oh, okay.
You they are give you with big pot, you know,
Okay.
and also looks some put on fries hub and inside chicken, then mix up many things.
Oh.
So that's one. Actually, I don't know about name, but it's okay for later.
Okay. Rujak cingur, there are so many kind of traditional in Java. Rujak cingur, lontong balap, kupang, that is our traditional because it is using petis. Do you know what is petis? Petis, it is one of Sidoarjo, absolutely, Sidoarjo project.
Yeah.
Okay. I think that is the information about the culture, Mister. Oh, so nice when talking with you. With talk about the culture, we have a little bit of the different because of I think we are Muslim, so I can take the conclusion. Even though we have so many or a lot of culture, but when we say we are Muslim, we are one. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's it from me. Okay, thank you for your time to
Yeah, thank you
come
so
to
much.
here. Okay. Our topic today is talking about the culture. So the conclusion is, even though we have a lot of culture in here, but we must keep the unity. So it means that don't do any problem or don't do any trouble each other. Okay, guys. Enjoy
Yeah.
your day. Good morning and Assalamualaikum
Okay.
warahmatullahi
Assalamualaikum. Take
wabarakatuh.
care. Thank you.
Mister.
Thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Okay.